Let's go dig for some potatoes. Yeah, there. Let's move this mulch. Oh, look.
What?
Look, there's potato. You give potato to Daddy. Okay. They're cooking now. There. You give to Daddy. See if there's any more. Oh. Let's see if you can dig some more. Here, over here. Let's check over here. You dig here. Something there. Dig, dig. Oh, you found one.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another potato. You give number 3. This is number 3 for Daddy. Dig, dig, dig. Get more potatoes. Oh, look, there's more potato here. Oh, there. I think that's a big one. Here you go. That's number 4. Wow, look at all the worms we have in here. Oh, look, there's a fat one there. And there's another fat one there.
What's that one?
There. It's good to see worms in our garden.
Yeah, we need them.
Yeah, we do. It helps aerate the soil. They dig around and their poop helps the plants.
Yeah.
Now we're going to plant some sweet potato here.